Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how I solved PyTime. So when you start it, you get two files, one C and a ELF file. So file, we'll get another Py file. So the memory address is going to change every time with the Py file. So we'll open the same thing every time. So why delete that? So you see here we have our main. We have printf set the main address. It's going to print us where we're at, and then it's going to ask us somewhere to jump to, and then it'll jump there, and then it'll print our input out. So at no point does it call win. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to enter the address to jump to. We're going to want to jump to win. How do we jump to win? Let's see. GV vol. We're going to run it. So we see we're at 5533D, and then we're going to disass main. We're going to disass win. So, jeez, been in small screen this whole time. So when we disass, we are at 33D in main, and main we're at 33D. Perfect. And then win, we need to be at 2A7. So if we come over to hex calculator, 33D, and 2A7. Distance is going to be 150 decimal and 96 hex. So what we're going to want to do is in our script, whoops, where we at? So whenever we connect, we're going to want to get that printed value, and we're going to take 96 hex down. Subtract 96, and we'll get that value. So the way I solve this with Python is we have our netcat host, our port. Let's go back over here. Time. Let's grab that port number again. Change that. Okay. So we have our netcat host, we have a netcat port, and then we're going to connect to the host. We're going to receive our mainline address. So what I've done here is when we receive that, it's going to be main address, and then I've trimmed up address of main, took all that out, and then took the 0x off, and then I took the last new line character off. So that leaves us with just a hex value. We can see in run it, we'll just get a hex value. So then I've converted that hex value into an integer. I have minus 150 from that integer, which is the decimal value of 96. And that will give us our answer where we want to be for win. So then we're going to send where to jump to, and then we're going to receive all. So here's that. Connecting. Oh, didn't save it with our new port number. So let's redo that. So connected. So here's our address of main. Gross, all that's gross. Whatever. Here's our address of main. Our main function trimmed up. We're at 33D. So then, I guess I didn't print out I didn't print our answer. So what it did was it took 150 decimal away from that, and then it sent back our address, which is 2A7. So all of the rest of it changed except the 2A7. And then we have run our win function, which read the flag txt file. So there we go. Here is our answer. Copy that. Throw that into PyTime, flag. Hooray! There it is. See you guys later.